Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into your account on the OmeTV app and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did was that I firstly closed my OmeTV app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I opened up the settings app on my phone and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what we're going to do on this page is very simple. We're going to scroll down and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general. And as you can see, it should now take us to this page, which is great. So now on this page, what we're going to do is very simple. We're going to scroll down in here a little bit, and then we're going to click where it says storage in here. And then you're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load all the apps that is on your phone, basically. And now when it's done, just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. Now we are going to search like this, Omi TV, until you can see the app and just click on the app, click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Click on the reinstall app button after that and just wait for your OmeTV app to completely update to its latest version. So by the way, I did this myself and I went back into the app and now it was working. So I think that when we actually have like an old version of the app, the old version might be buggy. And one of the bugs might be that you are not able to log in into your account. So try this, go back into the app, and basically, hopefully, now it's going to work for you as well. But if it's still not working for you, then you most likely have forgotten either your username or your password, of course, and you need to be able to reset it. So click on, I think there's a button where it says reset password, and then just follow instruction after that. And hopefully then you will be able to fix it.